This here is my IBM ThinkPad 380D. Did a factory reset of this thing. And here it is in its glory. Sorry about that, the volume a little bit too high there. Lotus SmartSuite 96. This thing did boot up pretty fast, and the hard drive is still intact, which is actually pretty surprising for a laptop from 1997. I just have to figure out how to right click in the start menu to get rid of some of the startup items. But I have to manually go into my computer. Let's see. I gotta get used to the ThinkPoint versus the trackpad. Look for startup folder. Go ahead and enter that. Reminder. Let's see what is reminder. Let's forget what that is. Okay, so that's what I'm supposed to delete that. Yes. Delete that. Yes. This is a passive matrix display, which unfortunately is not the best thing in the whole world, but it'll be deal. Planning on changing it to a TFT active matrix in the future. Because I gotta get used to this ThinkPoint here. Surprisingly, still in pretty good shape. Along with the keyboard, the display is still pretty good, but it's a little bit washed out here. I gotta go fix it sometime. And this thing has pretty much everything loaded on here, including the drivers for the sound card. I just have to figure out which file system. Let's see if this is FAT16 or FAT32. Sometimes this thing's FAT32, sometimes this thing's FAT216, but it depends on the file. Yep, I figured. This was a big hard drive, it'll probably be FAT32, but oh well. My FAT16 is actually pretty good for this particular laptop. After doing the factory reset, it's actually pretty darn fast. So let's go ahead and play some games here. Before we do that, I'm gonna have to shut down the laptop. Yes. I have to figure out how to turn off the lock stick on that one at the end. I should also point out the nickel metal hard drive battery for this laptop is completely exasperated. Exasperating means it is completely stone dead. What that means, I have to purchase another one off of another website like ImpactComputers.com. They have parts for this particular ThinkPad. I can also get a brand new hard drive off of there, a brand new battery, some refurbished parts like the screen, and everything. Let's go ahead and see what happens when we use the bell mouse. Okay, here we go. Wish I had the other mouse, but I digress. Okay, so programs. Let's see. Games. Solitaire. I don't have a lot of games on here yet. Come on, focus. Like I said, not a bad particular laptop, but it sure is better than nothing. Check the multimedia thing here, see which kind of synthesizer we got on this thing. I believe this is just a crystal audio sound card. FM synthesis. A lot of people are complaining that the FM synthesis on this thing is not really that great, but better than nothing. And there's a laptop. So let's go ahead and reset the computer in DOS mode. I think it is the control escape key. And then shut down, reset computer. And for this particular laptop, like this, one thing I like about this laptop is it doesn't stretch the display, unlike that HP Pavilion and 3350 laptop over there. Sorry about the lighting. Let's go ahead and boot into command prompts only. There you see the lists of drivers are loading, like the PCMCA controller card, for example. So I can hook up like another sound card on this thing. Playing upon this thing on the network sometime. Let's go ahead and check to see what games are on here. Actually, I don't want to spoil the surprise, but there it is.